My kingdom people, what it is. I just dieseled up, ready to hit this road, man. You know what it is, your boy Lando, and we know who I am. I am the man, though. So check this out. Hey, I promise you meet some of the strangest people at a truck stop, right? I'm dieseling up. Dude walked up on me like, yo, you coming all the way from Florida? I'm in Texas, El Paso. El Paso is far. First time coming out here, boy. I don't even think I'm coming back. Unless that money gotta be super worth it. So, dude was like, you come from Florida? You seem sharp. I'm like, bro. In my head, like, bro, I do the same thing. We're in the same lane now. We're in the same lane, you know? Then, his homeboy came up to me, talking to me. I don't understand one word he's saying. I don't know what he's saying, but I'm laughing and yeah. You know how you do when you don't know what somebody's saying. You just laugh. He think I know what he's talking about. I'm like, yeah, I feel you. I can tell whatever he's talking about, he's very passionate about it. It's something about driving. I heard 90 in there. Whatever that going down at 90. I don't know what he was talking about, but yeah. Trying to get this money, y'all. El Paso, Texas. I'm going home, though. I'm going home. I'm looking for a little going home. I figured from here to Fort Lauderdale should pay a good piece of change. So I grabbed 2 parcels with that. Should be a nice week. That's it. I ain't looking for much stops this week. 2 parcels extra, really. But if I see more going that direction, I take it. That's it. It's gonna pay good. Going there anyways. I'm trying to go home. Yep, ain't no more 4 weeks out here. 2 weeks. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all in a minute. I'm gonna drop this load off. I'll talk to y'all. I'll holler at y'all. Work.
I'm in Texas.
Pretty much. You from Texas?
I'm from New Mexico.
Oh, this
But
is
it's,
right next door. What's up, y'all? Check me out. I'm at the weigh station, New Mexico. New Mexico told me I had to get a permit. It's driving New Mexico. That's crazy. So you know what I said? I said, look, I missed my exit back there anyways. I don't even want to know how much the permit was, but they told me anyway. It was $30. Cause I was going, after I looked at the map, it looked like I was going back towards Texas anyway. So yeah, I'm just gonna go back that way. Yeah, I can hold that $30. Can buy me a good dinner or something. You know what I mean? Yeah, y'all rock with me. We headed to Michigan, New Mexico to Michigan. Yeah. Now in this video, you're gonna see a lot of scenery, man. I just want you guys to enjoy this view with me. You know, you out here in the box trucks with me. So this is New Mexico. New Mexico is actually beautiful, man. Like a lot of nature. You know, I don't know if I would live out here, but it's definitely beautiful just being in the mountains. It's definitely a different type of scenery, especially coming from Florida. So y'all enjoy the view. Town, boy. What is that? Yes. I don't see not even one person. It's like a deserted town. What's going on? Where the people at? Oh man, it's like a scary movie type town. Everybody eating everybody. Look at this. You see the business? It's like it's after 6, maybe 7. You don't see nobody. They go to a gas station. I see cars. So somebody's driving them. Correct? Okay, let me see if I see one person at the gas station. I see a car driving into the gas station, but they probably just like me passing through. Oh, they went down. Oh, they ain't driving to the gas station. What is that? Okay. All right. Oh, okay. I just want to see one person walking. Okay, then. We see something. A little diner or something. Okay, Mexican American food. Okay. Something going on. It is New Mexico. Okay, I dig it. I love me some Mexican food though. Restaurant for sale. Dang, they selling the restaurant. Dang. They about to get rid of the restaurant. Come on. They got a Family Dollar. You know, go to Family Dollar, get fresh. That's all they got in this town, man. I don't even know what town I'm in, but boy, this is what you call a small town. Somebody else saying, ah, that's nothing. At least they got a Family Dollar. We don't even have a gas station. But yeah, man. That's where we at. Where we at? Let's read the sign. 45 miles to Corona. 45 miles to Corona. I don't want to go to Corona. No, sir. Tell you what, I would probably never take this route ever again. This is the loneliest route ever. This is like majority of my route. This what, I think 84? Like, I haven't seen life in like, you know, a couple hours. I haven't seen people. Like, I don't, no, take it back. I just passed the gas station about an hour ago. But before that, it was like 2-3 hours, no gas station. Like, this is crazy. Like, you gotta make sure you gassed up on this route right here, boy, and pray that nothing go wrong. Say hallelujah, hallelujah. Make sure you give us praise. But yeah, we pray right here. It's a lonely road, and then on top of it, the worst part about it is half of it, your phone don't have signal. I'm not talking about one bar. I'm talking about no flat line. So yeah, man. I guess majority of this video, you guys gonna be seeing stuff like this. Taking my time cruising through the mountains. You know what I mean? Top of the morning, warriors. You know what it is, your boy Lando, man. I got a sleepy face. Look at me, wrinkled shirt. I just put my shirt on, man. You know, I got a brush my teeth through the whole night. I should have recorded that. You know what I'm saying? Dang, shirt wrinkled. I might change this shirt, man. Presentation is everything. I usually have my shirts rolled up, you know, so it don't be wrinkled. I don't know what happened to this one. I'm gonna have to change this one though. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, it's a beautiful view. I'm over here in it's weird. I'm back in Texas. I left Texas, went through New Mexico, now I'm back in Texas. I think I'm like at the top of Texas though. You know, Texas is huge. I'm definitely in a different time zone. When I was on that side of Texas, it was like 2 hours ahead of Eastern. Now it's like an hour. But yeah, man, I might go hit this road and get this money, man. It's a beautiful view out here, though. Check it out. Yeah. I dig it. Dig it, man. Everybody hit this road. Everybody go gas and hit this road, man. Ended late last night, so I had to start late this morning. I don't like starting late. I like starting like 6 o'clock in the morning, but by the time I ended, it's like 1 in the morning, so, you know, reset, that's about 11 o'clock. It's all good, though. I hit this road. Gas time. Hold on. Oh, man. You know, we gassing up. See, when you use your phone at the gas station, that's what they say, huh? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We here, baby. All right, we here. Gotta check in. Caution, do not enter without eye protection. I gotta go check in, but I'm here though. I'm at the Ford warehouse. I got in trouble for that, y'all. I just walked up the ramp. Lady yelled at me. Now I gotta go get my safety vest too. I didn't see that sign. I'm just trying to get this load off my truck. This should go over there. Okay, check my man's out. What is this? Just your bed?
Yeah.
Oh, snap. We got the microwave, the fridge. Where's the TV?
I gotta put it up.
Okay. All right, that's all right there. All right. I dig it. All right. What's up, y'all? What's up? That's the end of the night. That's it, man. Your boy work today, man. I work. Or you just saw, I'm gonna show y'all this Sprinter van I just seen. Dude got his bed, his microwave, his fridge, everything, and a big screen TV. That was dope seeing that. But that's the end of this video, man. I found it a little earlier. You know, my dispatcher found me a little earlier. Going back to Florida. You know, it's a nice load, and it's a partial. It's paying like a full load, so I gotta find something else going with it. That's gonna be a next video though. It ain't gonna be in this video. But then again, man, I appreciate you guys, man, for watching, man. Thank you for everything. Subscribe, like, share. Make sure you share. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Lando. I am the Mando, man. Shout out to Michigan. Yeah. Holla at y'all. Boom.